Today's video, we're going to show you how to go from this to this in just a few minutes. I just bought a Harley Davidson, as a lot of you guys know. Some of you may not know. And this thing has got so much chrome on it. I looked for the fastest, easiest way to polish the chrome. Okay, most of this is plated steel, some of it's aluminum, but not much. So anyways, this is kind of what I found works really, really well. Okay? I'm going to show you how quick this stuff can transform old chrome that's been sitting for 7 years in a shop and then the last 6 months out in the weather. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get to polishing this. If you haven't had a chance yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for future notifications, and always please give me that thumbs up. It really helps the channel out a lot. While I was sitting here talking, it goobed out quite a bit. This is more than enough. Usually you use a third of this. So just a third of it, just like that, just a little bit. All right, but I'm going to use this whole thing. So this is all you do, okay? Get all of it. And I'm not putting a lot of pressure on anything. Like that right there. So there you have it. That's all you need to do. Take a terry cloth, like so. And just like that, there you go. That's just 100 times better. I mean, you can even see the osmos sitting there in the reflection now. So just a few minutes. Once you get everything put back together, you may need to go over it and wipe it again so the fingerprints are gone. Anyway, I just want to do a real quick video on what I found works real well, and that is this Flitz metal paste polish. All right, so anyway, just want to say thanks for watching. If you have any comments or even suggestions on how you guys out there polish your chrome, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment down there in the comment section. There is an awful lot of chrome on this bike that I still need to touch up. So anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching. Always ride safe.